I post a video about Cartel, Masicka, Alkaline and everybody and their mother, they must say Vibes Cartel, buy views.
A few moments later.
Masicka and Cartel buying views. This is the most important. This is the most important part.
May I represent for one Media Fox?
Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock?
One Media Fox man up, you know. So yes, people, they must say a bag of views I buy. You see me? Yeah, man, a bag of views I buy. They must say, you don't know Alkaline ticket watcher. Yeah, man. Our Taylor Drive. Yeah, man. But you must have something in that video, cause you don't know. They must say Alkaline, Masicka, something are going with some views thing, and I think they must say Masicka and Cartel and. So we're going to video and make you hear what going. You see me? Big up on yourself. Respect for the support. You don't know. I want Media Fox one up. Don't.
Vibes Cartel, buy views. Okay. Name say Cartel song now playing away. What else? Which part to go? Alright. Masicka and Cartel buying views. This is the most important. This is the most important part. When I say Masicka and Cartel, I buy views in which I don't know still. But we are going to do a quick check and see if something really goes up. Over here, so now. Make a quick check and see what go on, cause it's buy.
So the buy views thing, people, you don't know. There are many things when it comes to buy views thing. You see me? Like, I think you have something on YouTube where you got type in and, you know, you look on the grid. And if you see a spike just go right up and just drop down back, you know, say, yeah, that's a heavy spike, you know, say, yeah, over India, because I think India more cheaper, you see me? So most of the time you will see some numbers and things that real, like over India, you see me? But you can use like the views and the likes, you see me? Because you have a certain amount of likes, but if you push the video, you understand, push the numbers, the views, you see me? So if it likes look weak and you have much views, you know, say, yo, something I go on, so, you see me? Yeah, but here I go on.
This buy views thing really a be over here. So what did we Vibes Cartel.
And this is the thing, people. It's not every India views are fake views. You understand? It's not every India views are fake views. But you can see certain spikes, and when you see the numbers high, like you get some million, 2 million. Cause you know your dancehall shows keep over India and them places. You see me? So when you see all one song get all 5 million views over India, you know say something not going on there. So you see me?
India. Cause that's are the main places.
So if you look on the graph here, it kind of looks steady still. Cartel India, you see me? It's over. It look like over 10k. Most of them are over 10k. You see me? But this look like a steady graph. You see me? I'm not seeing a high peak. It go up, then come back down. You understand? Yeah, you know. You know, go way up and then it come right back down. It you know, so it go. It fluctuate at times. You see it?
Alright, we are looking for victory right so. Victory, the top 15.
Me not think no views no buy upon victory. You see me? No views no buy upon victory. You see me? Yeah.
Last month at number 14. And they type in India. Now I don't know how this whole buy views thing go.
So basically the total over India for Cartel are like, cause I think multiple songs are like 411k. You see me? 411k. Because what you see so is basically 1 month. You see me? 1 month of views this. These are from April the 4th to May the 1st. You see me? So it basically a 1 month thing this. You see me? It not have enough March, February thing. You see me? Yeah. Or it not have March to April. It's from April to May. You see me? Yeah. So it's still people still if it now go if views buy and it not buying at this time, it may be buying at the last month one. You see me? Like from from March to April. Yeah. You see me? So but me not feel the victory by any still, cause me I look on how per hour and all of them look something, you know. Cause I think I 1 point something. 1 point something mil. You see it and about how much, you know, 4 days or so. 4 days? I don't remember how much, but I soon look on it, you see me?
People from India must listen to dancehall, don't it? Alright then, the first city is Bengaluru. Yo, I'm not even gonna pronounce them brother. Alright? I will just make sure. Where is this? It is in India. Okay, so.
Why that brother ain't no sense, you know. The man type in India for cartel and him say 5 different places. Brother, no must in India place there. Eh? Them in India, brother. You see me? All of them look up them places are in India, dog. You just type in the most in India them places, Jaja.
Yeah. The cartel get 411 total views from India. People them say once you buy views and India followed up on the radar, that means the views are fall from India. That's what they must say. Based on the comments, India. But my question is, people from India they don't buy
400,000. Depends on how much song. I don't know. Enough song or more than one song still, so everything I add up to that for the month. You see me? Yeah. But maybe you must say.
Then them now listen to dancehall. Alright then. Remember them 3. I go with the 5 country them. This, Kochi, Patna. Alright, I go for Masicka now, right now. Alright, Masicka time. Boom. Alright, I go for Masicka. India. Same country them again. The same city. India this again. Masicka get 166 total views from India in a month. Right? Alright then. Boom. Same city them again. Top 5 we just work with.
But you soon see what go on, cause it get spooky now.
Alright. Make we go for Alkaline. Because I refuse to believe say nobody from India na listen to dancer. Alkaline. Go over here, so. But no, hold on, before we go here, so we are going to look for slip on side of there, number 3. Right. It's less than 10,000 views. It's a song I get from all of them India places, alright? Less than 10,000. And if we go back to cartel, maybe just go back to cartel. Then we could go back to cartel and then go over here to India. We are looking for victory. Less than 10,000 views. So which song get go on through 180,000? That they're number 1.
The song they name Guanchu. Oh, it's a Guanchu that a little Addy and Vice Cartel. So that get 180k. Wow. That looks spooky there so still. You see me? It's so surprised that Panic get less than 10k. But Guanchu, me no know that song there. Get 180k views over India. I know. Some look spooky there so.
Alright then. Less than 10,000. Same for Masicka. Flip and slide. Less than 10,000. Alright, cool.
Him should have look for Boasty. Oh boy.
That a cartel. I go for Alkaline. Let us go to Alkaline. Yeah, say.
So the vendetta boss time you know.
Nobody from India no buy. We keep on saying no buy. No listen to dancehall. Alright then. Go over here so now. India.
So you see it? Alkaline thing low you say you know. So Alkaline low. Masicka and Cartel one pass the second line. the height. You see me, Alkaline one low. You see it, but I just one of them thing there. But I'm not soon see what go on after this. You see me?
Alright, which song we go for? Gyal good. See there? Less than 1,000.
So look at now, people. This a Masicka Boasty, right? And it's so funny. I don't know. Who can tell me? So this dropped like a month ago, right? A month and more. You see it, but you don't know YouTube still. The only time to go change it when it's 2 months. See? But it's a month and a week or so. And him get 4 million views, right? With 66,000 likes. See, remember that, this a Boasty, people. 66,000 likes, 4 million. You see me? Alright. Look on this now, people. This a slip and slide. This drop what day like 9 days ago, So 9 days ago plus a month and odd ago. And the likes to this are 59,000. And him get 1.9 million views. People, something look spooky there, so. Eh? So basically, on the Boasty video, you have him have 7K over. And this just dropped 9 days ago. And it had 59 likes, 1.9. And this is a video, so so this I get. Videos I get more likes than audio. Okay, you don't know you see things and all of them look or something. You see me? But this get 59K and the Boasty 1 month ago gone 4 million and it gets 66,000 and this get 59,000. Something spooky about that Boasty video, the Boasty's video and song there. You understand? Something spooky about that. Cause it nah make no sense. If it got 4 million, it should have more likes. You see me? Because if this are 9 days and I get so much likes with this rate here, 1.9, nah make no sense. You see me? It nah make no sense. I tell you that, but it's what I go on. So this a cartel victory, a 1.2 million. See? So it's 6 days ago. Yeah, I think 6 days ago this look like. Yeah, 6 days ago this. See? And cartel video 53,000. Pretty, people. Cartel are 1.2 million, See? And 53,000. Masicka 66 million and a month ad now. And him have 66,000 with 4 million views. That not look spooky to you? Alright. So this is the thing now. For sure you see that Boasty video there? I feel like them pump something that. I feel like them pump views. Because look here now. This is a audio. See? And this drop around the same time with Masicka, Same time. Right? And this, remember, Masicka gone 4 mil. And Alkaline Gyal good. This is a audio. But you see, because that song is more impactful than the Boasty. Yes, because if FEMA video and Alkaline a audio, right? And FEMA 4 million and Alkaline a 3.8, so that would have be 2 more thousand, would have be like 4,000, right? Or what, 200 or so? 200 more. Or 2,000 more views. 3.8. Yeah, you know what I mean. So Alkaline soon reach 4 million. See? But Alkaline have a 47K. See? Which you can understand that. Because look here now. Alkaline likes are kind of little. Because it not really have the video like that for watch her. You see me? But it a 3.8. See? 3.8 mil. See? Because the song over TikTok, it soon reach 300K reposts. You see me? So the song are going worldwide. You see me? A song are going worldwide. You see it? So the Boasty thing there, I don't know it not add up. I tell you, it not add up there. You see it? It not add up at all. I feel like say that should have been more. Because there's no way. How comes the 1.9 slip and slide have 59 And that just dropped 59,000 likes. Something spooky about that. You see me?
Let me see now. So we look at the city them and see if them similar. So Bengaluru, that they are number one for everybody. Who they are number two? That one alright. Number three, I pure bad. That they are number two. Masicka. A country, that they not. Which number that they for Alkaline? That they are number 10 for Alkaline. And the number 4 for Cartel. And that they are number 5. Okay. Alright then. Make we just use a random artist. Where we go?
People, we're not going to see what go on here so now.
For Valiant. We go for Valiant.
So look here now. You see what I talk about, people? Buy views go on here so. So basically, Valiant buy views over India. See that? 263,000. If you realize, you see the peak. See there? See the peak them? You saw low it reach from this and it go way up and then come back down. This you know when BA views by you so. You see it? You see the high peak they touch the 4th grid? Yeah man. Valiant buy views. So that's how you know. You see, this is not a steady graph thing. You see it. So yeah, Valiant buy some views yeah, so.
What a blank. August 19th. No, not August 19th, April 19th. You see a spike and then it drop by the 22nd. CM country. Passport. Princess. Which songs have which song Valiant released just the other day? This? Let's see. When this release? 8 days ago.
8 days ago, so it look like other song yeah. Oh, it's a collaboration them by views man. At the DJ Mac Valiant. Rainy. Rainy God. And Tyler Lanes. Jaja. But one of them buy views still. Some of young artists are that them do, you see me?
8 days ago, which day? Let's make sure. 24th. No, it premiered. 24th. People from India, them not listen to dancehall. Once it.
Yeah man, people over there maybe, you see me? Tweak and everywhere listen music, listen dancehall. Maybe just not listen it as a high magnitude. But when you see some high numbers, you say, yo, no, this not make no sense. Because if every artist would have some high numbers over India, would I not do shows over India? Seem like we do US, Canada, UK, Africa. We not hear about a dancehall show over India. You see me?
India, once an artist get a certain amount of views, quick and fast, when I say India, people them buy the views from. Tell me. So you go.
Yeah, brother, because if we say one video drop and it the 100K, seeing? Say it the 100K 11 PM in the night. And by the time you wake, remember you know? A Jamaica thing this, you know. Seeing? And by the time you wake in the morning, you see it drop from it start from 100K go to 800K. You know say something wrong there, so. You see me? You know say something wrong there, cause at night, most of the place them are like nightish or so. Nobody now really watch YouTube them or whatever. So from that jump from 100K, like say 700K overnight, trust me, that's a huge gap. You see me?
So Vibes Cartel and Masicka buy views, that's what I say. Alkaline, Valiant.
I'm sure I don't know Alkaline buy no views better. You see me? Alkaline no need to buy views. You see it? Him no need to buy views. Masicka them, and if you understand, Alkaline mostly do audio. Like, for buy views from audio alone, it don't even make no sense, brother. You know, video don't do it. Masicka them, most of them have a label and, you know, a thing go. You see me? So I don't even surprised, because the video them only focus on. You see it, so. And them want to run with the hype too. Yo, that song a hit. They want to hit the 1 million and say song a hit. You see me? So them will do them thing there, brother. You see me? I say go Alkaline thing, we drop one video and then but you see, you just see it start race. Seem like the girl good. The girl good audio. Look where it reach. People are listening to the song. You see me?
I'll find another artist. Which other artist did it? I check Skipper. No, random artist, Anthony B.
Yo, that money a mad money, you know.
Anthony B. I'll use Anthony B now. Alright, just use Anthony B. See there? That's some random teaser. See there? Anthony B teaser 2.0. Boxer Robbers. The next artist. Popcorn. Popcorn just have a song. Alright? Remember the song, just have, lifestyle go on. Less than 10,000 views. But if I stop it, everything gonna run to buying a views and buying a views.
Popcorn scale, yeah, you can go on. You see me? Yeah, it not too budge. You see me? So the little peak, they kinda look funny still, but yeah, I know this is still, but we see what I go on.
This and that. Not because the artists reach 1 million in 4 days. That don't mean say them buy views. Not because the artists reach 1 million in 5 days. That don't mean say them buy views. So anything. Vybz Kartel victory in buy views. Masicka slip and slide in buy views. How can I look like say him now buy views? I don't know. Vybz.
Yeah, man. People, when I don't know what media facts, I saw it go. When I'm for buy views, you think look good, but the victory, I think Kartel buy that. You see me? I just 1.8 million. You see me? I'm not really buy, and I think that dropped like 6 days ago. 1.8. Yeah, I think no there so. But now like that Boasty there, I feel like them buy some views on it, and after them buy the views stop buy, so it's like it start move slow. You see me? Cause for sure yo, Alkaline Gyal good at audio and it end up catch it up. You see me? So to me, based on if him drop slip and slide and a 1 point something, 1.9, see, and it gone 59,000 likes, and it's and the thing they gone 60 something, 66. Something wrong with the Boasty. You see me? Something really wrong with the Boasty there, so. Him should I get more likes based on the views. You see me? Yeah, but I saw you think so. I just one of them things, you see me? Yeah man, a 1 media facts man, yeah. That is it.